This is a secret I never knew before. Oh wow. Today I wake up early around 6 o'clock. The sun from the window. Oh my god. The sun has come down. Like when I wake up this morning, I just want to take my camera, my phone and set everything to film. My pouch have not actually used it to do like to film since I'm in this house because see it's very big and the paint also is white. You see, if I open the curtains like this. Oh wow. This I'll just come and sit here and do makeup video today, like right now. Yeah. This vlog is just all over the place. Talk to you later. My lashes are coming out. I wash my face. The cleanser mistakenly entered my eyes. I have a leftover egg stew. Just came and warm it. I cooked yam again, but this yam is too much. So I really need to you guys. Yeah, let's come here. This one. So yummy. Mina, Mina, Leona. So you guys, when you are eating, if I call you, you mind me. Yeah, what you mean? You're enjoying it. How are you enjoying your egg and fish? Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. I said let me come out here just quick and show you guys the new designs I've been sewing for my bag. I like to try new things, and all this while I've not been sewing this type of bags. It's just those tote bag, the shopping bags. Now that I'm trying the small purse like the shoulder bags, I am so happy. So I just let me come out here quick and show you guys. I actually sew this one with my hand because I tried to sew the first one, but I didn't get it. Like I used the sewing machine to sew it the first time. I didn't get it well. I now decide to sew this one first with my hand with needle and thread and see if I can get it. I just use my old jean and one of my old top and design it like this. Just mix them. This I can go out with it. But the fact that I tried with my arm and I get it like this, now I can sew it on the sewing machine. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. My skincare line, Mana Secret. This is the shea butter for hair. Products are really nice, so if you want the shea butter, DM me. I also do the oil. Yeah, this is glycerin. I use it as well. This is one of my hair products. I don't want to show you guys all my secret ingredients. That's why it's called Mana Secret. And I actually use, when I say organic product, I use organic products from scratch. Even the carrots, everything, I do it myself. My face is looking so rough, and my lips, like I'm trying to do lip scrub and do some facial masks for myself. For my lips, I'm using the sugar and the lime and use coconut oil. I don't have honey because you know when you're doing the facial masks for your face, especially with turmeric, honey is really nice. So because I don't have honey, so I'm using this baby oil. I always put it on my shea butter for the skin. Coconut oil, just a little bit. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, you changed my life. Here I am just moaning.